Hello students, in this video we are going to study about the amount to be paid to a retiring partner on the date of retirement or to the nominee of the deceased partner. If a partner retires, then he himself will take the money, but a partner who has died, he can't take, so his nominee means legal representative will come and claim for the amount, and then partnership firm has to pay this amount to the nominee of the deceased partner. So here heading you see that amount to pay on retirement or on death of a partner. So first of all, we will pass all the necessary adjusting entries and we find the amount to be paid to the partner by preparing that partner's capital account. The partner who is going to retire, it will be his account, or the partner who has died, it will be his account. So what are the items appearing in this particular ledger account? So in the credit side, all the amount which the partner is supposed to take from the firm, and in the debit side, the amount which that partner is supposed to pay to the firm. So it will be adjusted. So this amount will reduce his balance and credit side amount will increase his balance. So for your convenient, I am writing here that credit side means what? Amount to be paid will increase and debit side means amount will reduce. Very first item is what? Very first you will write the by balance BD. This amount will be given in the old balance sheet of the firm. The partners, in the question you will see one old balance sheet is there, and from their opening balance you will take and you are writing this to the credit side by balance BD. It is carried forward from the last year. Then second is what? The retiring partner or deceased partner will get his share in goodwill. So when he is going to get this share in goodwill, then he will be benefited. So his account should be credited. Then whose account should be debited? It will be the partner who all are gaining at the time of retirement of a particular partner or on death of a particular partner. So those partner who are gaining, their account will be debited. So by gaining partner's capital account for retiring partner or deceased partner share in the goodwill, that will be written here. After this, the retiring partner will get share in the accumulated profit. Accumulated profit means till date undistributed profit, which will be given in the old balance sheet. So examples I have given here: general reserve, profit and loss, credit balance, surplus in investment fluctuation fund, surplus in workmen compensation fund, etc. So that we will calculate and share in accumulated profit we will record here. Then by share in revaluation profit. When a partner retires or a partner dies, then again we are supposed to prepare revaluation. Why? To know the ultimate profit or loss due to increase or decrease in assets and liability, and his share will be written here. And next, by share in the profit. Share in the profit means what? When a ongoing partnership firm is there, so there is no date fixed for the death. On retirement you can make some adjustment, you can give some extension, but for death there is no fixed date. So from last balance sheet to the date of death or date of retirement, firm has worked, and on this working there is some profit. The retiring partner or deceased partner's nominee will claim for the share in that amount, that we have to write here. By share in the profit till date of retirement from last balance sheet. From last balance sheet you have to calculate and record it here. How it will be calculated? It will be shown in the next video. Then in debit side, what are the items? Very first item, to goodwill. The existing goodwill in the old balance sheet must be written off. When we are going to write it off, so that time all partner will suffer and all partners capital account will be debited. So this partners capital account will also be debited to goodwill share in existing goodwill of the firm. Then to share in accumulated loss. Likewise, he was getting share in the accumulated profit, so here he will get share in accumulated loss. Examples are profit loss debit balance, deferred revenue expenditure, advertisement suspense account. All these will be given in the old balance sheet asset side. The accumulated profit, that is given in the old balance sheet liability side, but accumulated losses will be given in the old balance sheet asset side. Then to share in revaluation loss, as he was getting share in the profit that time credited, so if there is loss, his account will be debited. Till this number 8 point, you will post everything. After this, you have to see the language, the requirement of the question. If question is silent about payment of the retiring partner or to the deceased partner, then whole amount will be transferred to retiring or deceased partner's nominees representatives loan account. So that will be number 10, retiring partner's loan account, if nothing stated for payment. And if it is given that payment was made, so that time to bank account if full amount is paid. So that's why I had mentioned here or in between. Either full amount will be paid to the retiring partner or to the nominee. If it is paid, then to bank note, it will be transferred to nominee's account first, and then it will be paid to the representative of the deceased partner. Now there are two things I have mentioned in the note. Very first note is what you see. If we are not paying the full amount and transferring it to the retiring partner's loan account, then retiring partner's loan account will appear in continuing partner's balance sheet liability side. This loan will appear in the continuing partner. Suppose A, B, C are there and C retires, then in the balance sheet of A and B, the loan account of C's will appear in the liability side. One more thing is there. If capital of partners is fixed, then first prepare current account and lastly transfer its balance to capital account. If partners capital is fixed, then all such adjustment will be done first in the current account and final balance will be transferred to the capital account. This we will understand when a practical problem will be solved. So this was the video for amount to be paid to a retiring partner or to the nominee of a deceased partner. So you must press the button of like if you like it. Thank you, sir. In my next video, I will explain the rest of the part.